We have installed the SkillCon notification module, which will allow us to directly remind employees of any acknowledgements due for their new work or service instructions or similar requirements. Before now, this had to be done manually by our employees responsible for quality and safety assurance, and can now be done for the most part automatically by SkillCon. Employees are of course still needed for the operation of the module and the correct data input. These are the employees which will work directly with SkillCon. As a result, the requirement working with SkillCon 2010 has changed, because new contents have been added. All employees working with SkillCon must now of course be notified of the exact type of change and the operation of the new module. This means nothing more than that the employees with the assignment working with SkillCon 2010 now need to complete the requirement with its new content again in order to be up to date in their training. We can call up the employees with this requirement assignment in a matrix. In checking which requirements are due for our employees or will become due soon, we notice though that working with SkillCon 2010 does not show up. This is a logical conclusion, as our employees have already been trained in using the program. We are now able to apply a great SkillCon advantage to distribute the requirements changes to our employees. All entities are dynamically linked in the software. So, if a requirement changes, the revisions are relayed to all the profiles as well as to all the employees that have been assigned these requirements. All we need to do then in this case is to change the requirement. To be exact, we need to set up a new version for the requirement, which we can make effective for any desired date. For all employees that have been assigned this requirement, the new version will automatically become due at the time of its effective date. It does not matter if they had completed the older version before or not. We can check this right away by looking at the due requirements of our employees again. As you can see, the requirement is due for all relevant employees, with the effective date of the new version. This ensures that your employees are always up to date and trained or informed in a timely fashion if changes of regulations, work instructions or SOPs have occurred, and that this happens before the process goes into effect.